I gonna do you now? New link and the attack now. Bring a old trend setter. New link. Hotter.
Now in this time of people, I know you're staying home and people are wondering, where are I going to get that money? Oh my, well, so easy, so done. Now is the time. By simple doing, simple advertisement, oh, you can make so much money. And now, Newlink just going to show you how. I'm going to leave some link below the video. You can click on those links and it will to where you can make those money. I'm telling you, plenty money. Bless up, viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going on. I don't know. So Newlink there and from Newlink production and we say attack. So now people, boy, the people them done a mobile now. I ask right now, and especially the people them now that say, yo, when this war got done, when this killing thing got done, when it got be over. Because people want to go be a set of way right now, people. With the war we are going up a Ogre Lane and then a Gulf in a Norwood. Because news are reach Newlink now, people. So on Friday, you understand, sometime up in the evening hours there now, people, in the night time there. Zine, this youth you know, young youth, popular youth in the place in the Norwood, people, who operates a bar as in business place. Was in there in business place, them some people with some friend, a chill and a play domino. And it is said that people, a lone gunman come up to him, people, and fire a couple shot, hit him, and the gunman make sure run off, pan foot, him not drive, or nothing. You know what I mean? So in the end, people, this youth, them comes to boom, and rush him, and them say, well, go and carry him to hospital, and him not make it. Him dead, and him gone. And them say he's a well-known youth in the place in now. So right now, people, all of this, the way people are summarized and a stem say, it a come off of the feud we are going. Because he is not the first business personnel to get cut down during this whole thing we are going in and now with people. It's set away. And a young youth them. You know what I mean? So everybody been asking and say when this thing are going to finish, when it going to be over. And it seemed like no end to it. Because every time you see a man I get slapped from that era there and the next man I get slapped from that era there. You know what I mean? We should set away. News are reached Newlink again, people. So just hours before that, right down in a Montego Bay, another man who is a 37-year-old man was cut down also because it is said that the man was standing at a regular place and normally below people when a gunman just come up, people, and fire shot hit him also. In the end, in the process, people, them say a man who also was in a wheelchair, you understand, so a man well, in a wheelchair and thing get shot also and was injured. It's set away Jamaica. Maybe a youth them. Boy, if a son now go do it and I take out, one another life, yo, it don't make no sense, Zine, it don't make no sense. Because when I see now people, imagine a youth comes a boom, set up a business, don't know what, if you have a pass or what, or you just get caught up because in the whole process of everything, people, but all of them things are stem from a thing. Zine, because when them say the lone gunman come up, people, the other man them who play domino, him not shoot them or nothing. It's this youth, they were clean comfort. And when he come in, just beat it on him and then boom. Like a Usain Bolt him take off and chuck through one bush and jump over one wall and reach through the lane there. Zine. And them must say now, this must be a man from the side there. Because in and now with people it's set away. You get me? Which everybody's supposed to hear the news of them say the big war are going up there with the man them from Hogger and the man them from Gulf. Zine. So it is a thing where maybe if you come from the side, you know what I mean, and you're there from the side, it's like you're an enemy. I saw the thing said. And innocent people get slapped in the thing, people. Enough of them things, maybe we need not hear about them. Zine, maybe what they are saying being recorded in Montego Bay and then that tell us, yo, so Montego Bay has recorded them 60, that fit. Maybe more than that, but them keep it down. Who to tell? But in the process, I just hope it's correct and it's not more. Because I don't like to know that youth's life been wasted and been cutting down for no reason at all, people. Because sometimes, me I tell us the gang violence and the war, people, I stem from some simple little thing, Some simple little thing we could have been walk over, passed over, or shades over, you know what I mean? But the man, them just take the thing different style. Attack them Newlink. Viewers and subscribers, All me ask the youth them then I'm Mobile for, you know, is a change, you know, and a better way of life, you know, because you say Mobile and my place, and I love Mobile. Montego Bay is a place that New Link love. Me can't go yard and not go Mobile no time, you know, people, even though I'm not from there, but I just a place that I love. Even if you just drive, go down there, go drink a few beer, and just move out, I just saw the thing set up. Zine, some of the youth them for just think back. We know it's a lot of youth mess up, you know. Me know it's a lot of youth go around the thing, lot of youth style the thing, but yo, the bugger killing thing is not the answer. The bugger dash in a life is not the answer. Time for we make a change, man. So don't know the thing going on. The whole Mobile massive, you know. The big up in yourself, and the man them from Uga and the man them from Gulf. Now with that one place, brother. Boy, we know the things that are weird because we know so the man them slap out a man they enough to slap. And they can't go say, you know, because the man there was a real man and them should slap him out, you know. And me know say, yo, man, get slap out because of the man there, you know. And the man them from the other part, you know, them are go think the same thing and I say, yo, the man they get slap back, you know, because him slap this man and they, yo, I just saw the thing I got people. I just saw. So it just a continue where man decides, say, look, you know, I hit this, you know, me not care, me not check. If me dead I saw, alright, me live I saw. Zine, but only just season he knows. Remember me tell you that. Say don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers, man. This is New Link from New Link Production, people. And we're there on the Sunday giving Jah thanks to life as usual on a daily basis. So I understand. I would just appreciate the love and appreciate the support, man. And big up to everyone who has subscribed, everyone who like, everyone who has share, everyone who has comment. And any one of the people, big up and stay safe and go and bless up on yourself and the whole Jamaica massive, you know. You just stay strong and keep on attacking. Peace out and respect, man. Big up my people. Peace out.